Hello and welcome back to Jesse's Vintage Garage. Well, I got the 68 Triumph T120 Bonneville out here, and my oldest daughter, Tessa, she wants to go for a ride on the bike. So we're gonna get this up and running and see how that goes. Well, I just got back from giving my oldest daughter a ride and she loved it. She likes riding on bikes. Anyway, there's a little bit of some valve noise, so I think we're gonna have to check out the valves and adjust them if necessary. So we'll probably roll it inside and go do that now. Alright, so we got the Triumph here up on the lift, and we dropped the oil. I got around 100 miles on it or so now. We're just gonna drop the oil that we broke it in with and put some fresh in and go from there. And then we're gonna pop open the front boxes here and see what the reading on the feeler gauge is for the valves. Just to make sure they haven't moved much at all. Then we'll go from there. All right, while this bike's up on the lift, we popped the plugs out while it's draining. Oil is draining, and then it looks like it's burning pretty nice and clean on both of them. And yeah, so it looks pretty nice. And then we also popped off the front here and the exhausts, and they're right where we had them set at. So nothing's changed yet. This is just like under 100 miles or so preliminary check, and then we're gonna ride it a lot more, and we'll come back probably and really go through the stuff here later. So anyway, we're gonna get ready to put new oil in and get ready to test it again. Well, I just got back from riding this, and it runs really well. Yeah, the valve setting is pretty good on both of them, and we're good to go. And I just gotta get some more miles on this now and get the final braking stuff done. Yeah, changing the oil helped out a lot. That magnetic drain plug, remember I was talking about that? There was some stuff on it, but not much. That's nice that I put that in, because now I can actually track any sort of metal that's going through. This line here has a little bit of some residue on it, but it's not really leaking. We just tightened it up a little bit more just to make sure, but it seems to be doing okay because everything above here where it would come out is not wet at all. So anyway, we'll see this bike again soon when we take it to Davenport. I'll be riding it there, so that'll be kind of fun. We ride it around, and that's coming up soon. And we're looking for more parts for the projects we got coming up. So hope you enjoyed everything on this little short video, and we'll see you again soon.